Guys, so let me just tell you what happened. So we were videotaping and sorry, getting sick. We went over to there to show you the slime, and I noticed that it wasn't recorded, and then it said there's no storage. It's just not enough storage to make a video. So she had to delete a bunch of games. So I'm just gonna recap what happened. So we just opened one slime. Yeah, and this is it.
I think this is Cloud, right?
Yeah.
But it's like the best. Like, you guys really need to have
It's very slime. Like,
and it smells like beautiful. I
This is
should totally buy this. Like, so thank you.
I did buy it.
I don't know.
This is Casey.
I don't know if this is Kristen Krug or if this is CB Slimes Co. Sorry, but we don't know who you are.
It's one of you.
It's one of you. So thank you. Okay, so next is another slime. By the way, she mixed them. Not edible mystery mini slime. Oh, that sucks. Mystery mini slime.
It's fake.
No.
What?
Oh, this person sucks.
Why? Why does this person suck? You gotta need it. My voice is like dead, by the way.
This slime sucks.
Give it me.
It's gluey. I'm done. I like that one.
Haters gonna hate.
Too much borax.
I like it. It's clear. It's the beauty that matters, not what's inside.
I don't like it. Slime, okay, I'm done with that. Okay, next one. Not really peeking, I'm just kind of looking. Sweet treats. Smells good. Thank you for sending these.
Katie,
Yeah.
the girl that thing was out with you, she sent it all her slimes.
She's what?
She sent it all her slimes. So the slimes that aren't scented aren't Katie's, and the slimes that are scented are Katie's. Because I did it and it said that all scented slimes is little Philippines.
Well, sweet treat smells good and bad at the same time. Smell
You
lovely.
see this little
Scented.
No.
Put it back in.
Okay. My voice is literally like next.
Yeah. Ew. I don't want that.
It leaked. Just saying.
This is another mystery mini slime.
What's this one?
What the fudge? The case broke. Well, thanks for the broken case. Look. I can't believe they did that.
Guys.
And this is also, is this supposed to be butter slime? Well, it's not.
They just give us plain white slime. Doesn't even stretch. Look.
I'm done. Give me another slime. Give me. You got a slimy sour pouch. Oh, it's on goopy in there. Oh my god.
That looks so pretty.
Look Halloween. Let's say it's good. Let's say it's good.
Are we good? Look at this.
It's okay. Not the best slimes.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this away because this case is broken. So. Explain to them what just happened.
Thanks for nothing. Well, some of these slimes are actually good. Like
So.
Berry Blast was amazing. The ones that are in these containers aren't that good.
Oh,
Heat containers, not heat slimes.
Cotton candy.
Oh,
The rest of it, okay, I'll show you guys what the rest of it is. The rest of it is just some candy and like activator or something. Do you want this out before after my fun? I have to say my favorite is the Bear Blossom look. Look how that opens. Here, let me show you.
okay.
Look how this opens.
Don't want that one. There you go.
My voice is really dead. Like, hashtag is on. I told you that, so that's just.
Saline solution activator.
Hey, let's see if it'll work.